Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Lego birthday party video for you. This was Jackson's last birthday, and I'm going to show you the decor and the stuff that I made. So the gift bags and wrapping paper actually came from the Lego store, but this table liner and some of the decorations I got from the dollar store. So $1 each and very cute. They also had these little, I guess they're supposed to be party favors. They open up, you could put stuff in them, but they actually stack together and stay stuck pretty good. So I thought that was pretty awesome. Those come in a 4-pack. This came from the Lego store. You can actually customize it for your child. You could put their age on there, and if it's a girl or a boy. These containers came from the Lego store when you build your own minifigures. However, I had molds, so I made chocolate bricks and people and gave those away as little party favors. I also made goodie bags in the background for the little kiddos. And the little happy birthday thing also came from the dollar store. And here's a better shot of that little customizable thing. I thought that was so cute. And in the party favor bags, I just bought the yellow bags from the dollar store. Got a construction paper set at the dollar store, so $2. Cut out little circles, glued them on there, made them look like Lego bricks, and filled them with Lego pencil case, a little tiny poly bag, and all sorts of little goodies for the kids. And here are the cakes. So my son and my husband are born about a day apart, so we celebrate them together often. So one is Jackson, one's my husband. The mold for that I got from the Lego store on clearance a while back. I made cupcakes, and again, the bricks and the people on those are chocolate. Then I made cookies, sugar cookies. Plates and napkins also came from the dollar store. And I was gonna make the cookies look like the actual red, yellow, blue Lego people, but your girl was tired. Like, I do all this stuff on myself. I don't ask for help. And I'm like, Jackson, would you be disappointed if I just do a solid color? It's so much easier on mom. And he's like, no, I don't care. So he picked 3 colors, and that's why they're green and purple and blue. He also wore a Lego costume. I got that after Halloween for like $4. So he wore that to his party. Here's some up close pictures of like the cake and stuff. So I thought it turned out really cute. I'll try to link everything below if I could find it online in case you guys are trying to do a Lego party. If you have any questions, let me know. I also had some Lego balloons, but that's a story for a different day. Party City Nightmare. They were out of helium. And then when I finally took it somewhere to blow it up, it just kept bursting holes. It was a really expensive Ninjago one. I paid like $20 for. Again, it's a complaint for another day, but yeah, don't order balloons online. If you guys want to see a birthday party playlist of parties we've done in the past or how-to videos, I will link that below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.